Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make color code in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here on my document. Now I make a color code in this document. At first, I have to draw some shape to generate this color code. Then select this eyedropper tool. Then you can see here are also a rectangle shape and use a color. Now I simply just click on this. Now select this selection tool and double click on this foreground color. Now you can see here are generate a color code. You can also use this color code in another shape. Just paste your color code, then press OK. You can see I make a color code in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.